सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। सर मैंने आपको सर व्हाट्सएप पे भेजी हुई थी प्रेजेंटेशन, आपने अभी तक नहीं देखी, तो आप प्लीज इंक्लूड कर दे वो। एहसान सर, एहसान।
But this is my presentation.
Okay, you start.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I'm Saida from MA. Today I'm giving my presentation and my topic is what is media. Sir, change the slide. Sir, slide change kare. In everyday life, we all heard about media. As we all know, the word media comes from the Latin plural medium. Actually, media are the source of communication or tool used to store and deliver information or data. Let me explain it. In past, we had to face many problems in communication, especially if we want to communicate someone else to living in abroad and foreign countries and far away from us. We had to spend plenty of money and many other things to communicate with them. But now, with the help of media and especially social media apps, communication become very cheap and easy. And now I explain the type of media. Sir, change the slide. Sir, change the slide. It's a type of media. Media type fall under two major categories. These are traditional and new one media. Print media and electronic media and outdoor media, which is also called billboards, are the part of traditional media, and social media is a form of new media. Sir, please change the slide. Print media. Now it's a print media. Print media is one of the oldest form of media. Anything that is in a print form is known as print media. Even in today's modern age, print media has maintained its position and it has easily access and newspaper, journals, magazines, novels, and comic or books are the part of print media. Sir, please change the slide. Electronic and broadcast media. Broadcast media mainly refer to the electronic broadcast platforms. This form of media carry out of distribution of news, information, and entertainment through audio and visual by implementing electronic broadcast platform such as TV, radio, film, cinemas, etc. And now we discuss outdoor and transit media. This is one of the underrated yet potential type of media. Transit media is more inclined towards advertising through posters, banners, and signboards, notice in mean of transportation such as buses, metro, and train, etc. Now, social media. Sir, please change the slide. Social media. In nowadays, everyone knows and use social media. Social media is one of the recent popular and very fast spreading type of media. In social media, sharing content through any website or application is social media. The main apps of the social media are WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, etc. Now conclusion. We cannot deny the importance of media in present days. Media play a major role in our daily lives. It is a best way to getting knowledge, information, news, and entertainment. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I want to give my presentation. My name is Kinza.
Just wait. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
सर अभी तक आपने मुझे इंक्लूड नहीं की मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन को।
सर अभी तक मेरी भी नहीं की आपने।
हेलो
सर मोहम्मद वफास।
Saddam Hussein present.
Yes, sir.
You get ready. After Saddam Hussein, Neeraj Kumar.
यस सर।
और ये कहीं से पढ़ना मत, उसको एक्सप्लेन करना। पढ़ने के नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे, पहले बता रहा हूँ। ये आपका किस नाम से सेव है?
Sir, Saddam Hussein media discourse analysis. Direct mode of address.
नाम क्या है उसका फाइल का?
Sir, Saddam Hussein. Direct mode
सर
of
व्हाट
address.
इज प्रोपेगेंडा मोहम्मद वफास।
Just wait.
सर मैंने आपको 7 PM पे अपनी दूसरी डॉक्यूमेंट वो मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन सेंड की थी, इसमें मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं सर, वो वाली ओपन करिएगा।
Just wait. सद्दाम हुसैन आपकी फाइल लोड नहीं हो रही।
सर आपने सर व्हाट्सएप पे अभी तक मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं देखी सर, आपने
सर
include
मैंने
नहीं की।
भेजी है, दोबारा मैं भेजी है आपको।
लेकिन यहाँ पे ये डाउनलोड नहीं हो रही।
सर दोबारा भेजूं?
सर काइंडली मेरी ओपन कर ले नीरज कुमार।
Just wait.
सर मैंने आसिया और बख्तावर ने दोबारा से भेजी, उनमें कुछ चेंजेस किए सर, तो वो वाली व्हाट्सएप में।
सर मैंने भी भेज
Just wait,
दी
हाँ,
है
थोड़ा
2
वेट
दफा।
करें, वेट करें।
सर किंजा हुमायूं, सर मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन
सद्दाम हुसैन आप अपनी दोबारा भेजे व्हाट्सएप करें, इट्स नॉट ओपनिंग। ओके नीरज कुमार यू।
व्हाट इज प्रोपेगेंडा? यस सर।
चेक माय
सर मेरी भी सर व्हाट्सएप पे प्लीज चेक कर लीजिए सर।
क्या नाम है?
सर दोबारा भेज दी है।
एहसान अली सर, एहसान अली।
सर काइंडली नीरज कुमार ओपन कर ले।
सर मेरा भी चेक करें व्हाट्सएप पे, हम शाइस्ता।
आप लोग अपने नाम तो सेव करके भेजना, अभी इतनी मुश्किल ना होती।
सर प्लीज सर आप चेक करें, एहसान अली लिखा हुआ है, इंटर टेक्सचुअलिटी एहसान अली।
ये पता नहीं क्यों नहीं खुल रही है आपकी ये फाइल सद्दाम हुसैन।
Sir, Mohammad Waqas.
सर यहाँ पे तो खुल रही है मेरे पास.
Okay, let me check.
सर एहसान अली के नाम से प्लीज चेक करें.
सर बख्तावर निसार, अभी सर आपने मैसेज सीन किया व्हाट्सएप पे.
Sir, please check mine too. Sir, please check mine presentation. Sir, I have recently said.
किरण बशीर, is she present? अभी इसके बाद में इसको दोबारा I will open the files again. There might be a mistake or there might be some error. अभी जिनकी है मेरे पास उनको पहले. किरण बशीर absent हो गई है. फैसल मुमताज present. आसिया निसार.
Yes,
अना
sir.
यस सर.
Sir,
अनम
present.
अब्दुल लतीफ.
आसिया
सर एहसान
निसार.
अली सर, एहसान अली चेक करें सर.
Yes,
एहसान
sir.
अली आपका भी
सर मैंने अभी
खुला मेरे
7
पास.
PM पर
थोड़ी देर
सर
में
जो
मैं इसे खोलता हूँ
डॉक्यूमेंट
उसे.
सेंड किए ना.
थैंक यू
सेशन
सर.
के
थैंक
खत्म
यू.
होने पर पहले उसे
सर
खोलूंगा.
अनम
then
अब्दुल लतीफ.
okay. फर्स्ट आसिया निसार.
सर सेशन के खत्म होने पर क्यों सर?
वो यूं क्योंकि उसके बाद ये सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा, कुछ एरर उसमें आ रहा है जिसकी वजह से खुल नहीं रहा. तो अभी
अच्छा
10-15
सर,
मिनट
व्हाट्सएप से
में
सर आपने डाउनलोड कर ली?
Sir,
डाउनलोड ही तो नहीं हो रहा. तो ये
अच्छा
अभी
सर.
इसको नया सेशन शुरू करने से पहले डाउनलोड करूंगा पहले. ओके, यस प्लीज
अच्छा
स्टार्ट.
Okay, sir.
यू स्टे ऑनलाइन. स्टार्ट प्लीज.
सर मैंने एक और डॉक्यूमेंट मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन आपको सेंड की है व्हाट्सएप पर. उसमें सर मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए हुए हैं सर, वो वाली ओपन
वो
कर
तो
रहे
अभी
हैं.
नहीं डाउनलोड हो रही ना. आप भी तो बस वो नहीं हो रही ना. अनम अब्दुल्ला, यू स्टार्ट. there is a problem in downloading right now, तो इसलिए मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि ये जिनकी हो चुकी है वो पहले चलो कर दें. yes, is she present or not?
यस सर.
yes, start please.
यस सर.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Anam Abdul Latif from MA English. Today I gave online presentation. My topic is the anaphora. First of all, I want to explain that what is anaphora. Anaphora is a literary device and also rhetorical device. It used emphasize, stress, adding rhythm, passage, and it also use repetition of a word and can intensify the overall meaning of the piece. And some writers, speakers, they use anaphora persuasions as a method to emphasize a specific idea's artistic element. So next slide. Then I want to give some examples of speech writing. We can use every day, every night. I am better and better. Who is who, will be, and what is what. My life is my purpose. My life is my goal. My life is my inspiration. And I also, a single day you let me down. Every single day you make me mad. Every single day you do such silly things. And my life is my goal. My life is my inspiration. So next slide. So next slide. And anaphora definition. Anaphora is figure of speech which repeated beginning the sentence, clauses, phrase. It's called anaphora. And so next. Functions of using anaphora. How can we use anaphora in of functions? Important to certain ideas. Anaphora in literature add rhythms, make more pleasurable to read, make it easier remember, and it is also used to appeal the emotions audience in order to persuade, inspire, motivate, encourage them. And I say some examples of functions. I am sick and tired of you letting me down. I'm sick and tired of you making me mad. And I'm sick and tired of you doing silly things. So next, anaphora is also used in grammar. In grammar, anaphora is the use of a pronoun or single word to refer a paired word or phrase. For example, Ali plays football, he likes sports. And my uncle liked the house very much, but he couldn't buy it. So next slide. And I want to say some examples of literature, A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. And it was the examples of literature.
By Charles
And I want to
Dickens.
say,
Charles Dickens.
yes.
तो ये तो वही
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम्पल है जो ऑलरेडी मैं दे चुका हूँ, आपने उसको रिपीट कर दिया, कोई नई तो लेके आती. Same example you are giving. Where is your creativity? Where is your work?
Sir, I read them. सर मैंने इसी के बारे में ही पढ़ी थी.
तो मुझे
मैंने
बताएं कि
इसी के
आपने
बारे
फिर
में
क्या नई
लिखी.
चीज क्या लेकर आए? ये तो वही रिपीट हो गया ना सब. जो मैंने करवाया वही आपने कर दिया. Where is yours? आप वो सर्च करती नेट पे कहीं और से लेकर आ जाती, but you should have brought different.
सर मैंने नेट से ही सर्च की थी. सर मैंने आपकी स्लाइड्स नहीं देखे थे.
मैंने तो आप लोगों को दिया था ना, उसमें यही तो था. आप कहीं और से कुछ ले आते,
सर
कोई
मैंने वो
नई
नहीं
चीज ले
देखे
आते.
थे.
चले कैरी ऑन.
सर मैंने यही अर्जेंटली बनाई थी सर.
तो आपको तो मैंने टाइम दिया था.
लाइट का बहुत इशू था
लाइट देखिए,
सर. कल
लाइट की
रात ही
बात
बनाई
है. मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ
सर.
कि
2 वीक्स से लाइट का बहुत ज्यादा इशू है.
चले कैरी ऑन.
सर मैंने कल रात को ही आपको सेंड किया था उसी टाइम बनाकर.
चले कंटिन्यू करें.
सर कैन आई कंटिन्यू?
यस कंटिन्यू.
I want to say some examples of Charles Dickens. In the famous beginning line of the Dickens said, by using anaphora to convey the importance of the French Regulation, who is relent the branch of the his story. The anaphora creates a rhythmic angle that forces Dickens. Another important examples of speech. So next slide. Speech by Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill defined anaphora is an important tool of speech writer because its frustration concerned in term. In this ironic speech by World War II British Prime Minister Winston Churchill was praised with delivering this will news. This will use that France's position in the war against Germany was wagging. To hear women with nation the German invasion of British might be on its way, while also will British determination. And in this section of the speech to create of reliant forcefully and decide
इसको बताएं भी.
the nation
Yeah, tell about
determines
this
in
slide.
every possible of the world.
Tell about this slide. जो slide सामने उसका बताएं. Examples of anaphora in the Westland.
Yes, sir. In this slide, the Westland by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot makes use of end-to-end flow to his poem, The Westland. Sir, this.
Okay.
The conclusion of this topic. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
सर फाइजा मलिक आपको रिसीव हो गई है, मेरे नेम से ही है।
Files are not being opening. तो वो अभी जब
Sir Kiran Bashir, sir, I was speaking at that time. Maybe there was a problem in my mic.
जिनकी फाइल ओपन है उन्हीं को मैं देख रहा हूँ right
Please
now.
open my presentation.
मोहम्मद वकास प्रेजेंट. मोहम्मद वकास. मोहम्मद वकास.
नहीं सर, चला गया।
चला गया. जब वो आएगा तो फिर वो, ये तो प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने कहा भी था कि आप लोग रहेगा लाइन पर. किरण बशीर,
Yes, sir.
start playing your presentation. Start.
Media and globalization. As the name suggests, media and globalization.
पहले बताएं
is
अपने
the
अपने बारे
worldwide-
में तो बताएं कि MS MA BS which student are you?
I am Kiran Bashir Ahmed and I am from BS 8.
Yes, now start.
As the name suggests, media and the globalization is the worldwide integration of media through cross
Speak
culture
loudly and clearly. Hello.
exchange of dress, while technological globalization refers to the cross-culture development and exchange of technology. The mass media are seen today is playing a key role in enhancing globalization, facilitating cultural exchange and multiple flows of information and image between countries through international news, broadcast television programming, and new technologies in film and music. If before 1990s, mainstream media system is in most countries of the world were relatively national in scope. Since then, the most communication media have been increasingly global, extending their reach beyond the
Are you
nation
reading or
state to
telling? Excuse me.
worldwide.
Are you reading or telling about your explaining your present slide? It seems you
Sir,
are
I'm
just reading.
explaining.
How are you explaining? No pause, nothing.
Yes, sir.
Explain ऐसे थोड़ी करते हैं.
Yes,
It
sir.
seems as if you are reading clearly. Read तो और भी कर रहे हैं लेकिन थोड़ा उसको according to timing उसको देखें. Yes, carry on.
May I continue? Okay. International flows of information have been largely assisted by the development of global capitalism, new technologies, and increasing commercialization of global television, which has occurred as a consequence of deregulation policies adopted by various countries in Europe and the US in order to permit the proliferation of cable and satellite channels. Globalization theorists have discussed how the cultural dimension of globalization has exercised a profound impact on the whole globalization process. The rapid expansion of global communications in the 21st century can be traced back to the mechanical advancement of technology during the course of 18th and 19th century, which started mainly with the invention of telegraph in 1837 and included the growth in postal services, cross-border telephone.
Excuse me, आपकी presentation समझ में नहीं आ रही. कैसे आप present कर रही हैं? मतलब सब कुछ लिखा हुआ आपने, no points, nothing. कुछ भी points कहाँ हैं आपके?
आगे points हैं.
कितने points? सब read
The
out
role
कर
of
रही हैं.
media and globalization.
इतना थोड़ी लिखते हैं जिस तरह से आपने लिखा हुआ.
सर
सब
आप
भरा-
next slide पर जाएं.
सब reading हो रही है. चले.
Yes, sir. The role of media and sir, next slide. The mass media are today seen as playing a key role in enhancing globalization and facilitating cultural exchange and multiple flows of information images between countries through international news, broadcast, television, and programming, new technologies in film and music. So next slide. Connection between technology and globalization. Technology allows for quick communication.
Okay, thank you very
transport.
much. Thank you. Actually, it's not presentation, it's only reading. Thank you. इस तरह presentation थोड़ी होती है.
Sir, I want to give my presentation.
Just wait. Wait.
Kinza Humayun.
Topic.
Indirect addressing mode.
Who is Sobia Amin? Faisal Mumtaz? Faisal Mumtaz? Asiya Nisar?
Yes, sir.
आसिया निसार, लेकिन आपकी
Yes, sir.
प्रेजेंटेशन नई वाली नहीं, पुरानी वाली है फिलहाल.
सर मैंने अभी रिसेंटली जो व्हाट्सएप पे फिर से भेजी है ना सर, उसमें मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन का नेम चेंज किया है, तो अब शायद वो ओपन हो जाएगी.
लेकिन ये कि वो अभी नए सेशन में होगी, ओपन होगी. फैसल मुमताज
सर मैंने भेज दी है दोबारा.
ओके. सोबिया अमीन एब्सेंट.
सर सोबिया अमीन की सुबह हो गई है प्रेजेंटेशन.
हो गई है.
यस सर.
सना अली.
सर मैंने आपको सुबह से भेजी है.
सना अली.
Sir, Sana Ali is not there.
Yes, sir.
मोहम्मद वकास प्रेजेंट. नीरज कुमार.
Yes, sir.
नीरज कुमार.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट.
Sir, screen आ जाए. And sir, this is Neeraj Kumar. Today, my topic is propaganda of politics from PS English. Okay, sir, kindly change. Sir, in the definition, I can perform in one words. Propaganda is the dissemination of, we can say, the information or fact, argument, or rumor, or half truth, or we can say that are lies to influence public or opinion, and we can say that deliberance and relatively heavy emphasis in manipulation and discrimination. So it is defined the propaganda definition. Sir, kindly next. The terms of propaganda first time when used in the Catholic Church during the missionary activity. Missionary activity, Catholic Church, there was some their own rule and their regulation, and some common people, such we can say that as the public, they rumor something about the church. So first, this was derived from the in 1622, and other world in 20th century propaganda was often associated with manipulation history, and we after 20th century we used in the, we can say that, media or in the politics and in the print media or painting media. There is some is officially used in the or daily form. Going to change that. Sir, propaganda in the election, sir, propaganda in politics, we can say that in the 20th century, it is the party, was the party slogan. And every politician before the election, they claim that about in the publics, what you want, they we will perform in all the sport before election, and after election, they will say that sorry, this is not our in hand, this is the parliamentary rule, we cannot do anything. And we can say that during election, the two parties between propaganda, one party want to vote about themselves and other party want to say that this is a rumor, this is a lie, or in the election, this is called, sir, we can say that propaganda in the during election about the parties. Sir, kindly change. Sir, the main propaganda in today's politics, which is country under the military. Country under the military, we can say that, sir, when we protest against the politics, then they will call to the military force during during protest. They will protect to yourself leader, but we only show up on the media. Only public show out the media, and they make the propaganda in themselves. Sir, they claim that we increasing project in the education system in the rural area. We will make new schools, new college, new universities around it. We are working on there. So these are the, we can say, rumor. There is now anything, and also slogan between the opposition party, and the slogan will be also increasing day by day, and only public can be what can do anything about this. So sir, kindly next. Sir, mostly propaganda using during the war condition. In the war condition, W was the second war, when Hitler used some propaganda under, they want to say collect the weapon. He don't say anything about the food. And nowadays we rumor about the food. We should collect the food, not weapon, because weapon only work on the military force, and food works on the us and to multiple our nutrition. Politics claims with the jobless person, we will job to you, we will make something for you. So this is the only rumor. Claim the health, other government sector, and we can say that they claim around the government to health, to increase our health, and we working on your population decreasing or some diseases. So there is no any problem in here. So kindly next. So this is the some picture. Our home are in danger now. So this is a picture. Want to say more thing in the some world. Okay, sir. Kindly next. Okay, sir. Thank you.
How do you conclude it?
Sir, I can conclude that the rumors is increasing nowadays and through media, but some, sir, medias are also, we can say that, corrupt, and the rumors are increasing, and our publics are not in officially, we can say, only social media we perform their activities, but in the media which perform, which is sorry, printing media won't say anything about the politics, and every person have the own the Roman.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mohammad Waqas, no. Okay, give me your presentation in PPT. Waleed Habib, no. Waleed Habib. Faisal Mumtaz. Okay, so I'll start another session after 5 minutes, and I'll open the files. Then I'll I have to open the new files now because these students are not present. Remember?
Yes, sir.
After 5 minutes, I'll start another session.
सर अगर मेरी फाइल ओपन नहीं हो रही काइंडली मुझे बता दे ताकि मैं आपको रीसेंड कर दूं.
अभी तो नहीं हो रही ना, अभी सेशन ऑफ करूंगा, क्लोज करूंगा, फिर ही इसका पता चलेगा क्योंकि सेशन के दौरान नहीं हो रही.
ओके.